I hope you can hear me. So hello everyone. So as I mentioned that I will share a couple of offers that the banks are having right now. There's TD Bank right now. They are offering up to $500 cash offer. So I will share how you can be eligible for it. The very first one is, so that 500 is actually broken down into two categories, $400 and then additional $100. So for $400, how would you be eligible? You have to open either TD Unlimited checking account or TD All Inclusive. And once you open one of those accounts, you have to fulfill two conditions out of three, which is direct deposit, pre-authorized bill payment, or you have to go onto your mobile banking app and just make a bill payment through your online application. And that bill payment have to be above $50. Same thing, pre-authorization debit that you set up should be also above $50. Now, this is just the basic conditions out of those three. If you meet two of them and then you do that for 2 consecutive months, your account will be credited with $400, and it's a cash offer. They will just put that in your account that you just opened. Now, that unlimited checking account is per month. The fee on that one is $16.99. If you maintain a balance of $4,000, the fee gets reversed. Now, second is TD All Inclusive. Now, with TD All Inclusive, you have to maintain a balance of $5,000. If you maintain that, your fee will get reversed. Otherwise, it's $29.95. There are a lot of other additional benefits with TD All Inclusive. I will make a separate video about it, talking about the benefits that they have. That's $400, and how you can get extra $100 so that you can get up to $500, right? So to get that additional $100, you have to open savings account with TD, just a regular savings. They have a couple of options: high interest savings account, regular everyday savings account. So I can explain about those as well in a separate video, but just open a regular savings account, and you have to do one of the two things, which is either you have to set up a pre-authorized transfer service, which means that every month certain amount, let's say above $50 or $55, goes from your checking to savings automatically. That is one condition. Second condition is simple save. So let's say, for example, if you do any purchase using your debit card, you can set up that $1 goes to your savings account every time when you do a purchase. So out of those two, you can set up one thing. A lot of people go with the PDS option, which is the PDS is just pre-authorized transfer service. So simple, goes from your checking, stays in your savings. You can do that. If you do that, you will get $50. And how you gonna? So that's $450 altogether, right? Checking account, savings account, checking account $400, meeting conditions $50 for savings. Where are you gonna get additional $50? If you apply for a credit card and you're eligible for it, and you do get approved for a credit card, you get additional $50. So I think the credit card option maybe won't be working for a lot of people. Sometimes you don't want an additional credit card, or sometimes maybe because of credit history, or you have already some debt, you don't want to have an additional debt, so you don't have to go with the credit card option. You are still eligible for $450 if you do it this way. The only condition is you should never have had an account with TD, and you should be a brand new customer, and if you do that, you're eligible for this cash offer. And my next video, I will share offer that BMO have. If you want to know more about these bank accounts, what services they have and what are the benefits, do let me know in the comments so I can share more about it. Thank you. I'm just at work in my lunch.